Welcome back to another episode of My Legacy Garage. I wasn't going to do the cold start challenge, but then this happened. So it's cold out. I don't like it. I want to be in the nice heated shop. Of course, heat's not even on in there right now, but we're going to see if this will start and maybe a couple other things. There's bound to be something laying around here that used to run that might run, and if it's cold, I don't know. Anyway, this is the Stuff with Cleatus on YouTube cold start challenge. Let's see what happens. I guess first thing we have to do is open the hood. Fun with 30 pounds of snow on it. Victory. Listen, all you crazy Canadians, come get your weather back. I don't want it, alright? And that includes you like honorary Canadians, like Robert's Garage and Morsky Repair. Y'all might as well be Canadians. It's like negative 400 degrees. Nothing but the finest materials around here, okay? Good quality vice grips to hold your battery cables on, because, you know, who cares? Smoke test. Nothing exploded. It should be fine. Alright, some of y'all might be wondering why this truck is sitting outside, and that's because, you know, we're doing this and sending it out within a day or two. Y'all are a little behind in the garage. There's something else in there, and you're just going to have to wait and see. Y'all can have this weather. Alright, that was step one. Step two. How many pumps? Let's just go with a lot. Here we go. I count that as a win. It ran. It even moved a little. I don't think y'all have seen that yet. Is that video out yet? I don't know. Well, I guess we need to try something else, don't we? There's bound to be something around here that doesn't run. I think chances are this thing's gonna run. It hasn't been started since, well, the burnout challenge, which it failed miserably, so let's see if it can redeem itself, huh? Oh, check it out. The snow bends like the hood does. Good enough. This one's got them there newfangled GM. I don't know. Look, I'm a Chevy guy, but GM, come on, man. Well, that one opened easier. Ooh, this one has keys. I even brought them with me, I think. Sure did. Huh. There's no snow under it. I can tell because I can see through the floor. Let's go with 13 pumps. No way. That is unbelievable. loyal little engine. Well, it's good to know the carburetor still sucks. Yeah, well, you know, it runs. It's just the carburetor. Just, you know, same thing with the C20. It just, I don't have good luck with carburetors. So, I forgot this was a 6-cylinder. I think I blocked it from my mind because, you know, I like the V8s, but some people really like these 6s, and it runs good. You know, ish, except for the carburetor. What about if we tried something half that size? Let's see what we can do with that. Ta-da! Half a 6-cylinder. 3-cylinder. Diesel. That'll be fun when it's this cold. So first, you know, you gotta turn it on, and it has the glow plugs, which are like spark plugs, but you know, not really. They just heat it up so that it'll actually run. And then let's give her a little throttle, and let's see what she does. There, see? I plowed. Don't y'all way up north which that was just all there was to it? Because, let's be honest, this much snow, sleet, ice, whatever you want to call this crap, that's all that's required. Thought about trying to start this. It's been like 6 months. There's no batteries in it. I don't think there's any fuel in it. Plus, I'd probably slip and break my neck if I got up there. And it's not boating weather, and I don't want to get in the boat because it's just going to depress me. So I was wondering, what else do we have around here that we could try and start? I thought about the Jeep, but it's fuel injected, meh. And then I was like, ooh, you know what hasn't run in a long time, but half the time I forget I even own because it's hidden now? The Harley. Let's see what it does. Well, at least it stayed pretty clean with the cover on it. And I've got the fob in my pocket here. Now, I do have a trickle charger on it, and it's fuel injected, so it should just fire right up. Looks like everything looks normal. Let's see what it does. Ooh, almost. Well, I reckon that'll about do it for this video. They all started, so that's, you know, that's a good win. Is it cheating that I didn't try the boat because I figured it's really not going to start? I'm going to say no. That's just being smart and not wasting my time and energy. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure you go check out all the channels that participated in the Cold Start Challenge. They've all got some great videos up. I'm going to link a whole bunch of them in the description. Also, don't forget, we have a Super Clean giveaway going on. Make sure you go check that out in the video description as well. And make sure you subscribe because coming up in the very near future, it's a new project and you're going to get a sneak peek. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.